Hello, those concerned, interested, and can take action. So, this grandmother of mine from my father's mother, the younger ones used to call her Baba. Her name is Fatima. She's now dead. So, not only me did she want the servants to molest and all. What happened is another cousin of mine warned me against this, their servant, Gilgiti servant in Dera, Dubai. And he was praying 5 times daily. So this cousin of mine told me everything about this Gilgiti servant who wanted to molest her. And thank God someone called her, so he stopped and she ran inside. She was behind a car. And so it's not surprising to wonder if our grandmother, Papa, unfortunately, I feel very, very embarrassed and ashamed to say that I even had a grandmother. So I could have put 2 plus 2. So there in Karachi, trying to get the servants to molest me left, right and center. And now in Dubai, getting this Gilgiti man was very pious, like this is what I was told, like very pious man, 5 times prayers a day, never missed his prayers. And then in 1980 I was told who he was, because my cousins came to Karachi for a wedding, and once I was in my room, they had all gone to the bride's house, and this man was sleeping outside in the veranda, in the hallway, inside the hallway, and I had to cross this man. Thank God he was sleeping. And he was sleeping on this wooden thing that my mother's hairdressing parlors things had come, furniture and all, from London. He was sleeping on that, and I tiptoed slowly because I was told it's him and to be very careful. I tiptoed to the kitchen and I went back in my room, tiptoeing slowly because I had to make tea. I had gotten up, and thank God he didn't wake up. So putting 2 and 2 together, I could suspect that this grandmother of ours, even in Dubai,